There's a storm out tonight. Getting some great thunder and lightning. I love this. I love this now. In the US, this meant the power would go out. And we might lose the phone lines. And we couldn't use the water because we had a well with a pump. But here in Japan, the power never seems to go out. So no matter what, gotta get something to stand on. So no matter what kind of storm we get, even typhoons, we always seem to have our power. And that's one of the good points I can say about Japan. And it's because we don't lose power, because nothing really negative happens when there's a storm. I've kind of grown to like them. I think they're kind of cool. Before I started recording, it was like the loudest thunder, and I don't know if it'll do it again, but I got a couple. Oh, wow. It's like awesome. The whole freaking sky was like blue. And this netting here, that's just so birds don't fly on the balcony. So that's what that is, in case you're wondering. But yeah, this is like immediately behind my building. Come on, give us another good lightning and thunder. And it's not even really raining that hard. It was pouring a little bit earlier, but and I can hear people down there talking somewhere. Did I miss something? Can you hear them talking too? I don't know if the camera picks up that much. But it's kind of cool that I'm getting like this really awesome like blue lightning, because I was playing like Infamous and I was playing as the good guy, so all this lightning's blue and it's like the same freaking blue and it's like wild. Oh, that was a good lightning. Obviously, since it's raining, like the whole sky is just clouds, so you can't really, like, I guess, see distinct bolts or anything. It's just like the whole sky of clouds getting illuminated from the light from the lightning. Wow! Oh, I saw a bolt that time. That was cool. God, how far away is that? Because I'm not even hearing the thunder. I mean, it looks like it's like just a few blocks or so away. But it's taken a while for the sound to get here. kind of wish this bird netting wasn't here so I could get like a better view. There's a hole in it below, but I don't want to stand on the balcony floor because it's all dirty from like dust and grime and wow, rain and cat food and fur, and I don't want to get that all over my feet because it's dark and I can't see on the balcony. I'm already at 6 minutes now, and I don't suppose that 6 minutes of just me going, oh wow, God, look at that cool lightning, is all that attention holding. So I guess I'll just go ahead and stop this. Yeah, I'll stop it. I want to keep recording, but it's like, meh. You guys probably aren't all that interested.